Did you know that it is possible to get paid faster and more quickly from the operators you work with? What you may not know is that there are different methods to go about this, and each method differs. My name is Michaela McNamara. I'm the editor with CasinoAffiliatePrograms.com, and in today's webinar, Leah Kamarianakis of NetTeller and Rosen Yordanoff of Skrill Money Bookers will explain how affiliates can get their commissions delivered more efficiently, as well as testimonials and examples from affiliates who use their systems for this very reason. In addition to all of this, Leah and Rosen will be covering how affiliates can monetize their traffic with the NetTeller and Skrill co-op programs, why affiliates should consider working with their programs, examples of affiliates who use them as well as promotions they've run, how affiliates can use their system in other ways to increase their own business revenue, how commissions can be received like free money transfers, and much more. If you have any questions about any of the content today, as always, we will be providing an extended Q&A for the last 20 minutes of the webinar. You are welcome to submit your questions throughout the presentation using the question panel in the GoToWebinar panel. But before we get started with all of this great content, I'd like to thank today's sponsors, NetTeller and Skrill. NetTeller's affiliate program has been one of the most innovative payment programs in this industry. Established in late 2008, they've consistently won numerous program awards as voted by affiliates in the gaming industry. This means you can work with one of the most established payment provider programs in the industry to expand your global conversion and reach. NetTeller offers affiliates an uncapped lifetime revenue share starting at 20% of the transfer to fees that are generated by every player that successfully deposits to a merchant site. Their attractive VIP and loyalty rewards programs help to enhance member conversion and increase customer retention so you can earn a better affiliate income. With an award-winning affiliate team who are dedicated to providing customized affiliate promotions and member incentives in regions that are hard to convert, NetTeller has proven a dedication to building solid affiliate relationships through honest and efficient marketing, ensuring a successful business for all. Our next sponsor is Skrill. Skrill is a global payments business offering instant or prepaid direct payment processing for over 100 payment options, with or without prior registration in 200 countries and 40 currencies. Skrill's mix of consumer and business-focused solutions has made it one of Europe's leading digital money companies, operating one of the world's largest independent online wallet platforms. 30 million customers and 135,000 merchants already enjoy Skrill worldwide. Now I'd like to introduce our speakers today. Leah Kamarianakis is Director of Marketing and Optimal Payments. With over 10 years of marketing experience in B2B and B2C marketing, the past 5 years have been focused on digital marketing to the gaming sector through promoting NetTeller, part of Optimal Payments, as the best payment solution for operators, affiliates, and players. And now introducing our next speaker, Rosen Yordanoff. Born and raised in Bulgaria, Rosen's background is in business administration. He's worked with major companies including insurance giant AIG, but has since moved into the enchanting world of online gaming where he currently works with Money Bookers, which is now Skrill. Since its inception nearly 3 years ago, Rosen became the affiliate manager of the Skrill affiliate program. During this time, he has been shortlisted twice as Best Affiliate Manager for non-traditional programs and once as Best Affiliate Manager overall in the annual IGB Affiliate Awards. Earlier this year, Rosen moved to the role of Affiliate Channel Manager, overseeing Skrill's affiliate program. Leah and Rosen, welcome to the webinar and thank you for joining us.
My pleasure.
Great.
Same here. Thank you.
Sure. I'm glad to have you guys here today. So I am going to pass everything off to you and stop talking. And Leah, I'll let you take it from here.
Thank you. And thanks, everyone, for joining this webinar. We can just get right into it. If we go to the next slide, I did want to start off by explaining what an e-wallet does. And there are 4 key areas we want to focus on: the e-wallets, the benefits for players, the benefits for our affiliates, and how it all works. So what does an e-wallet have to do with getting players' winnings paid faster and easier, you might wonder? You might think that having a middleman would actually delay the process, but that's actually not the case. E-wallets are usually a faster payout method facilitating withdrawals and deposits from merchant sites versus using a credit card or bank account. Plus, what an e-wallet will offer you is significant value add for both the members or players and your affiliates alike through topping up revenue through our own affiliate loyalty and customer marketing programs. And in the upcoming slides, we'll focus specifically on what an e-wallet is and why you and your customers should use one, what benefits your customers receive from having the NetTeller e-wallet, what benefits you, the affiliate, receive from using a NetTeller e-wallet to manage your business and finances, how it all works, and why you should join NetTeller so that you can turn your network into net worth. So on the next slide, what an e-wallet is, it's an online stored value customer account. So stored value, what does that mean? We refer to the fact that an e-wallet can also be used as a preloaded or pre-funded account. Once the money is on there, the account holder can pay and play anywhere the e-wallet account is accepted. The advantage of an e-wallet is that money flows three ways. It'll come into the wallet from a typical deposit method like a credit card or a voucher, but it can also come into the wallet from a merchant and from money transfer or P2P activity. At least that's the process that NetTeller operates under. And often these funding methods are free and can help to facilitate the movement of funds in regions where traditional credit card options are limited to certain players. So by promoting the e-wallet to your users in your regions, you can increase your customers' conversions and to the merchant sites, and therefore you as an affiliate would increase your earnings. So the online stored value customer account is something that you definitely would want to get so that you can earn more revenues. We offer strong privacy and convenience for online financial transactions. There's direct settlements with merchants, so you're bypassing card networks. And also with an e-wallet through the NetPlus prepaid MasterCard, it's accepted at over 30 million locations. I believe it's closer to 30, 33, 35 million is where MasterCard is around the world. So why use an e-wallet? You'll keep your personal information secure, your money is protected against fraud, and you would also earn additional loyalty points and rewards. And so if you're talking about information security and protecting against fraud, NetTeller has encryption in multiple firewalls. We're PCI DSS compliant. We have device fingerprinting. We're 3D secure, access to payment industry fraud blacklists, and a variety of other tools to keep your and your referrals information safe. This means that you don't have to have their person, or the member doesn't have to have their personal card account details listed on several merchant sites, or you as an affiliate as well. And if their e-wallet is funded, they can transfer to multiple merchants, and they never have to share their personal banking info or card information over and over again. Regarding loyalty points and rewards, I'll talk about this a little bit further in a future slide. So keeping personal and financial information safe and private, that's one of the key benefits for players. There's no telltale paper trail. And what that means is, you know, that saying, what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas, it can also be applied to an e-wallet model. The information doesn't go beyond what's in your account. It's we're not sending credit card slips to your home. Having said that, though, you do receive your transaction history inside your NetTeller account, so the player and you yourself can keep track of all the transactions going on in the account, and you're free to print them and download them as well. There's no need to register personal credit cards with multiple operators, so your e-wallet, you can use your e-wallet to transfer money to any player accounts. There's fraud protection, which we mentioned, and it's faster processing times than traditional banks for both deposits and withdrawals. These are the general benefits of every e-wallet. NetTeller does also offer rewards and VIP programs in addition to those. And we'll talk about those on this slide. So when we talk about the rewards program, the e-wallet loyalty program, we have this open to all of our members. Points are earned for every dollar that flows into the system and can be redeemed for cashback, which everybody likes, for gift cards like iTunes or Amazon, merchandise like iPads, iPhones, toys, jewelry. So, you know, basically if you earn enough points, you could actually do your Christmas shopping right now and you're good to go. Anyone with a NetTeller account can join, so both you and your referrals would benefit from the rewards program that we have. We also have a VIP program, and our top clients are part of this. Most established e-wallets would have a VIP program. We all know the value of the high-value repeat business. As an affiliate who refers VIPs, you would also receive baseline 20% lifetime revenue share so long as that player plays. And our VIP program ensures that those players continue to play long term. So the benefits to you as an affiliate, because e-wallets do benefit your business as well. And most merchants will offer e-wallets as a payout within their affiliate programs because it's faster processing. It's faster for them to process their bulk payments. It's cheaper than processing bank accounts, and you would actually receive your earnings a little bit quicker. 2 to 3 business days is the norm versus an average bank transfer of 5 to 7. And you get your affiliate commissions from multiple merchants paid into this one account. So you then manage all of your income, your cash flows, reconciliations quickly. You've got the entire history in one account, and then you can quickly and securely process payments to your customers if you're running rakeback or cashback programs through the peer-to-peer money transfer service. Those are 3 of the benefits. There's an additional 2 that are pretty important to go over. So free prepaid card. The benefit of having this card linked to your wallet is you won't need to transfer your commissions into your bank account. You can access your earnings. You can use it to run your business. So if you're traveling to trade shows, if you've got hosting events with your clients to cover your internet costs, we have some clients who do all their PPC, Google AdWords through their NetPlus prepaid MasterCard. So it's a way to segregate your personal from your business expenditures. Plus, you also save on some banking fees. You can use the e-wallet to pay all your suppliers, and as I mentioned, P2P or money transfer is 100% free. This slide talks a little bit about the flow of the funds, so you have an overview of how the actual program works. And as I mentioned at the beginning, there are 3 ways to get money into the wallet: through through a merchant, through a player, and then you can also get money out through NetPlus, through bank transfer, and also through P2P if you're sending money back out to somebody else. So this is one stored value account that lets you flow your funds around, and then you're in control from multiple merchants, and you can keep your business running intact in one spot. So why join? To turn your network into net worth. And what this means is, we want you to help. We want to help you with your network. We want you to be able to make more money off of them. So we offer twice the commission for every player that you would convert. And we know that your first choice is always to send the player directly to the merchant for conversions. At the same time, why not educate and encourage that player to also sign up to the NetTeller account? You can then earn twice on that player's activity. So you would earn from the merchant, you would earn from NetTeller, and with NetTeller you also get the added benefit of yourself earning loyalty points as well as your player earning those points, so they're more likely to continue to stay longer and play longer, and you continue to earn it as its lifetime. There's no cap. Remember, once that player is registered with NetTeller as well, no matter where they play, you'll still earn, as we don't cap the commissions per the member, or if they're coming to or playing at multiple merchants as well. So let's admit it, players are fickle. So why not have them benefit from the revenues that you would get when they play at multiple merchants. So you can generate additional revenue from your player's behavior. As that member deposits into one merchant and withdraws, and they go to a different merchant, you're still going to continue to make a profit from that. You'll also get benefit from securing our member traffic. We do have marketing and guest blog opportunities for you, and we also have an award-winning team that would be happy to work with you to boost your revenues. On the next couple of slides, we're just going to show you a little bit about some of the affiliates that we have worked with in the marketing opportunities. I'm not going to go into details on these. You can take a look at them yourself, and this slide will be available afterwards. But we do provide extensive marketing support for our affiliates, and we do have blog opportunities as well as a series of assets that we would provide for you. And on the next slide, we see this an example in Japanese, which is pretty cool. We offer 13 languages, including the Japanese that you see here. This means that we can help you convert more players in targeted regions that like Japan, like LATAM, those areas. And the following slide shows a little bit about some testimonials and awards that we've won. I'm not going to read into these. And the following slide is the same. So this is it. I hope you found it informative, and I want to thank you for listening, and I will hand this over to Rosen.
Thank you, Leah.
Thanks, Leah. Rosen, I'll let you take it from here, too.
Hey, hi, everybody. As you heard, my name is Rosen. I'm happy to be here and present today. First, I want to say thanks to Leah for opening it up. By now, I believe it's clear what the presentation is about and what the webinar is about. If you don't feel so, maybe just grab a cup of coffee. But let me clarify what I am going to be touching upon in the next slides. In the next minutes, we're going to look at how you can benefit from Skrill service for receiving, accessing, and using the wallet for the funds you have earned with your partner programs. We're going to clarify with more detail what happened in the backend in the wallet to help you understand why it is that useful for many affiliates. Furthermore, I will touch upon how you can not only use our service to your benefit, but also cooperate with us to monetize on your traffic better through our own in-house affiliate program. So before going to the specifics about getting paid by operators, let's point out the basic benefits of our service, the digital wallet. First, it's about the convenience. You can pay and withdraw simply with just email and password and instantly. This means that you don't need to type any financial details every time you pay. You can also receive funds in one account. All major and many smaller affiliate programs, such as those on Income Access, for example, process payouts through Skrill. This means that you can easily keep track of your earnings as an affiliate if you receive your commission payments in one account. Then, the speed and security. All transfers between account holders, be it operators, affiliates, players, freelancers, and so on, are instant. This means that as soon as the operator clears the payment, sends the money, you have it in your account. Uploads and withdrawals to and from a Skrill account to a bank take 2 to 5 business days. And we have the Skrill security token device available for each account. Funny enough, the security token is the ultimate online security tool, as it's a physical offline device. You keep it in your pocket, wallet, attached to your house or apartment keys, and the only way to log in your account online is using the code that it generates. So it's very cool and is safe. About the costs, receiving funds in the digital wallet is free, and withdrawals are charged at a fixed fee of 1.8 euro, regardless of the amount. So let's see how these benefits work for you when you need to get paid by the operators in the next slide. First, we take a look at receiving funds. So you might be asking yourselves the question, how does Skrill help me if I still need the money in my bank account? Why add yet another step in the process by first receiving the funds in the Skrill account and then in my bank? The answer lies in the graphic, which happily is the only thing you see on your screen at the moment. Looking at it, you see something you surely know by now. You can directly receive money from the operator to your bank account, which is shown by the curved arrow on top. However, unless it is the unlikely situation where you and the operator have a bank account in the same country, this will have to happen via international bank transfer. And international bank transfer means more time and bigger cost for the funds to arrive to you. What we do to change and complement this situation is shown by the straight arrows below. The operator sends the funds to your account, which as a transfer between Skrill accounts is instant and free. Then, having the money in the digital wallet, you can instruct a withdrawal to your bank. We operate bank accounts for processing withdrawals in 23 countries. So obviously, it's 23 times more likely that you can get your money via a quick local bank transfer. This will cost you, as said, 1.8 euro fixed fee regardless of the amount, and will take normally 2 to 3 days. So the result of all that is summarized in the next slide. What Karim, who is the CEO and founder of RegTheReg.com, says is, my main reasons for using Skrill are twofold. The money usually hits my bank in a few days, while withdrawing from some poker rooms often takes weeks to a bank and is a long, drawn-out process at some. Obviously, we just clarified why this happens in the previous slide. And secondly, he says the fees for withdrawing a wire transfer from Skrill are negligible. So is there any small print or are there any strings attached? No. But the only thing that you can that actually can make this procedure more costly for you is currency conversion. So you have to think about what currency your account is set up in, what your bank account is in. For further convenience and to avoid these fees, Skrill affiliates can have multi-currency accounts. And we'll touch upon that a few minutes later. Now, about the access to funds. So getting the money in the Skrill account and to your bank is clear. How about even quicker access to cash or spending? As said, as soon as the operator sends the money, you have it in the digital wallet. Then, as soon as you have it there, you can withdraw or spend it with the Moneybooker's prepaid MasterCard. It's real-time connected directly to the balance of your Skrill account, and it's a MasterCard. So you can withdraw at millions of ATMs and pay at shops, restaurants, and so on. What Rui, who is the managing director of metododinero.com, points out is using the prepaid MasterCard, we are now paying a lot of services such as servers, ads, and all others that accept credit card payments. It has helped us a lot in growing our business by saving us time. So apart from access to cash or quick spending, it can be valuable to your business. As he points out, it saves time. So what we covered so far, you can pile money in your bank, you can spend instantly with the MasterCard, but what is there more to the Skrill wallet that makes it so good for covering your affiliate payment needs? Well, here it is. The further usage of funds online. From your Skrill account, you can deposit to gaming operators if you are a player or better yourself. You can buy stuff online on eBay or pay for virtual goods and services as those on Facebook or Skype. You can instantly send money to players, partners, sub-affiliates, freelancers, which is also free if you participate in our affiliate program. For example, PokerStrategy.com have been an affiliate for us for years and also are using our services very actively, including for the purpose of making player payouts for their Tell a Friend program. And their senior financial accountant, Kerry, points out, if we have any problems, for example, if you pay the user twice, this can be fixed quickly and easily. We wouldn't be able to get that sort of service from an ordinary bank. And also speed of transactions and availability for our members. As our membership is worldwide, we needed a payment solution that would work for the majority, and we found that with Skrill. With 30 million account holders, all these nice features of the Skrill account make much more sense, as you can take advantage of them as a customer all while doing business with so many different parties that have an account with us. So the wallet is widely used, and I do hope that I just briefly but successfully pointed out how it can be of benefit to manage your online payments in the best way. But being that nice of a service, it has to be considered as an option to maximize the value of the traffic you have. After all, you are affiliates, right? So let's have a look at the Skrill affiliate program. At first sight, and what you see from the graphic, there's nothing complex about it. Affiliate sending business to a partner and getting paid for that. Exactly what you currently do with gaming operators. What is important to mention here, though, is Skrill is not competing with your gaming partners. It's a tool that people use to deposit to them. So what you earn with us comes on top. Second, with 100 different payment options, Skrill is what can help customers convert to real money players with the gaming operators in places where they can't put the money online any other way. And thirdly, referring to Skrill is in a way cross-selling to other verticals, as you will earn on your referrals transactions to both gaming and non-gaming websites. So the program is a great way to increase the value of your referrals. You simply advise people where to play and how to pay. On top, being an active affiliate, you get access to special benefits, allowing you to facilitate all your payment needs easily and free or at nearly no cost. Let me clarify what I mean in the next slide. All that we covered before about getting paid faster and easier is further enhanced if you are an active affiliate in our program. Just have a look at the bullets that you see on the left side. As a participant, you can get a multi-currency account to avoid conversion fees, free payouts to all your customers and sub-affiliates, and a free Moneybooker's MasterCard and security token. So it's in a way like killing two birds with one stone. You get a better service for yourself if you are participating in the program, and you monetize on your traffic better. For that second purpose of monetization, we pay 20% revenue share on all transactions of your referrals automatically and daily. So it all should sound very good by now. Also, having in mind what Leah covered about the benefits of the wallet for end customers, which I didn't touch upon much. But some things are not that easy. We do understand that the main call to action, the core drive for a visitor arriving at your website, is to convert to a gaming operator and bet or play, not to open an account with a payment processor usually. It's often hard to get people to do that. That is why we have developed promotions providing easy-to-see additional value for the end customer if they decide to deposit with us compared to if they don't. These are the special cashback promotions on deposits or exclusive VIP promotions that we offer for affiliates, as with the two examples here with punterslounge.com on top and donker.com. The special promotions are actually what adds value to your service and website and makes your links clearly beneficial for the users. The offers also top up gaming operator offers that you have, providing you with an even more attractive overall package to present to your visitors. On top of that, we also do have a packed promotion calendar throughout the whole year, comprising of different offers. The screenshots that you see on the right side are from two promotions that we ran in just the last 3 months, and of course handed out to affiliates to leverage on them. This variety helps attract new users more easily and also keep them active and engaged. I personally believe in the importance of the good product and the proper ways of presenting it alike. Now, before we finish the presentation with a few examples also, I want to say something which can hardly be included in the slides. I'm very proud that we have established a friendly, flexible, and responsive program. And of course, we'll be happy if you challenge and verify that for yourselves by getting in touch with us on our website or me directly using the contact details that were shown in one of the previous slides. Also, we'll have a stand at this year's Barcelona Affiliate Conference, F17. If you're there, you are, of course, welcome to stop by. So, about these examples quickly. First, we are looking at pokernews.com, making use of our Score with Skrill promotion this summer by placing it nicely on their homepage. Please note it's a sports-oriented promotion, but still interesting enough for them to promote and leverage on. Then, we're looking at a screenshot from badbrain.com using our cashback promotion, mentioned again in one of the previous slides, and incentivizing their visitors to make a deposit and convert to a real money player. And finally, from the third major segment, casino, with AskGamblers.com, also using our cashback promotion with that banner in the top right corner. So basically that's it. Thanks for listening. I hope that you either enjoyed or found it useful, if not both. Cheers to all.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Rosen. That was a great presentation from Leah and Rosen. And I've had some questions come in. And the first one, Rosen, this one's for you. Can you explain the difference between Skrill and Money Bookers and why the change? I think some of our audience are a little confused as to what to call you and why the change was made.
I wouldn't say there's any difference. Let me put it like that. We have never been a company to stand still. So Money Bookers was a great name for us in a whole life cycle of the company. But we found that growing as much as we did in the last few years also required a change in the name and brand, given the different types of customers that we now have. So Money Bookers is greatly perceived and understood by, for example, native speakers, but would be often misspelled or even worse, misinterpreted by non-native English speakers. So eventually we decided that we need a new name to continue our rapid growth across different markets and segments to go along with. And that name is Skrill.
Great. Thank you for clarifying. The first question comes from Paul Hoffman, who asks, what are the best payout options for affiliates in the USA?
Okay, so
I'll open this to both of you.
Okay, I'll first say we do not service the US for gaming transactions and purposes. Therefore, it wouldn't be right if I say anything to that.
Okay.
NetTeller doesn't service the U.S. or its protectorates either. There are a couple of local options, though, that they can look into. One is a voucher system similar to UCash, and others a real-time bank transfer that can facilitate that.
Okay, great. Thank you. This next question comes from Daniel, who said, sorry if you guys said this already, but can you please clarify the cost for withdrawals if using NetTeller?
It depends on the withdrawal method. Most of our, all of our VIPs get withdrawals from their e-wallet into their bank account for free. We have Net Plus, which is free for point of sale, and there is an ATM charge. However, our VIPs do receive a discount. If you're talking about a bank wire or bank transfer, then there are some processing costs at the bank's end. But again, for our VIPs, it's at no cost. If we're talking about getting the payouts from their merchant site into their NetTeller account, then there is no cost for the members or the affiliates for that.
Okay, great. Thank you. So next question. Someone said, I'm an affiliate, so what are the biggest roadblocks that affiliates do to slow up the payment process, and what can I do to ensure that I get paid quicker? So I think they're asking what they can do from their end to expedite the process, if anything.
To get their payouts from their merchant site, or to get their payouts from the e-wallet? Can we get some clarity on that?
I can ask again, but for sake of time, can you answer both?
Yeah. Did you want me to start, Rosen?
Sure,
yeah,
go ahead.
Of course.
Sorry. Go ahead. Whoever wants to go first.
For payouts from their NetTeller account, once you're an existing e-wallet holder and have all of the appropriate paperwork, the KYC, and your payouts happen instantly. There's nothing to facilitate, that you could do differently. It's all been taken care of to ensure that we've got you set up properly. There is an affiliate agreement, some documentation for KYC purposes that we do require to ensure that we can get everything set up. For an affiliate as well, we do provide a list of assets. We are on the Income Access platform, and once you're registered with them, you can access all of the assets that we have available for marketing, and it's really up to the affiliate at that point to utilize them as quickly as possible to get them up on their site so they can start drawing business. When it's payouts from their merchants, it depends on the merchant's payout timeline. Some pay out weekly, some pay out monthly, most pay out monthly, but from the merchant into the e-wallet, usually if everything goes smoothly with the merchants and it takes its instant into the wallet when they're ready to process their payouts. So I hope that helped.
It's very close to what Leah said also on our side. When we're speaking of the merchant sending them the money or the payout to the Skrill account, as long as they do that, as long as they settle that payment, it's instant. So it would depend on every merchant and how they handle that. As long as they are processing payouts to Skrill, then it shouldn't be any problem. And then from the Skrill account, I believe that I covered that in one of the slides, from the Skrill account to a bank, yes, the bank account needs to be verified to process a withdrawal for it. But apart from that, if that is done, then it just takes 2 to 5 business days, and in most of the cases, it just lands in your bank account in 2 to 3 days.
Great. So someone asked, they know that you cover most gaming niches, but for each of you, are there particular niches in the gambling space that work better for your program, or are they all pretty universal?
I think
like Rosen, you mentioned you work in the poker, you work with PokerNews.com. Is poker your strongest niche?
I can say that we are very happy how the program performs in poker. But you can also look at our core service, the digital wallet, and it's something that makes it convenient for people to move money around, yeah? So they can instantly pay and withdraw and then pay again, deposit to the operator. So we are also very happy with how it works with sports betting as a segment, because there are often people need to withdraw money from one merchant and then deposit to another one when they're betting, for example. So I wouldn't say that we are really concentrated in any of the bigger segments more than the others, but this is what what's really mentioning. We are very happy how it performs in poker and casino, but also if you look at sports betting and the way it goes, sometimes it's common that people are having even a bigger need for our service than others.
Okay, thank you. Leah, do you want to touch on that, or shall I move on?
We're pretty evenly distributed between the sports, bingo, casino. We also have lottery and did I say bingo? I meant casino, sports, and poker.
Okay.
And,
so you don't work with bingo then?
We do work with bingo. It's the top three are the bingos. Are the sports, casino, and poker, and then we also have a little bit of lottery and bingo.
Okay, great. Okay, moving on. Leah, why do you think e-wallets are better than credit cards? If you do.
I think there are a few benefits to the credit card. So there's no paper trail. Your credit card info isn't exposed at dozens or hundreds of sites. E-wallet limits also tend to be much higher than cards. So if you're funding from an e-wallet to a merchant site, you can do a deposit of $10,000, $20,000, $50,000, whatever the limits are between the merchant and the e-wallet. I don't think you can use a credit card deposit for $50,000. I could be wrong. I'd love to have that card, but that's usually not the norm. You also receive your winnings from operators much faster than a bank account refund. That can take several days or weeks, whereas once the operator releases the winnings, they'll go into the wallet immediately, and then they're free for you to flow wherever you like. We also, for NetTeller, have additional loyalty and rewards benefits to top up any behavior that you're doing, and we keep your personal information safe and secure from fraud and hacking. We've got a lot of fraud protection tools in place.
Great. So to add on to that question, you mentioned that NetTeller helps convert customers who normally have their credit card declined. How is that possible?
Well, we use different acquiring banks than gambling sites. Therefore, we have higher conversion rates, especially in some hard-to-reach markets like LATAM and Asia. We also have many other instant and near-instant deposit options, things like Ideal, GiroPay, Quick Bank Transfer in Japan and elsewhere, cash use. So we offer a wide range of credit debit card plus the other options, and can help flow the funds.
Okay, great. This question is open to both of you. How do your systems implement fraud protection?
Shall I start?
Sure, please.
Well, again, in the presentation, I mentioned the security token. Again, this is a great device to have for people that are really using the wallet and are managing funds online, because it is what's adding that sort of protection that you cannot get by any system that is implemented online. It's a physical device that people use to generate a one-time password that they can use for several seconds after that to log into their account online. Apart from that, of course, there is the encryptions on the website and various procedures running in the backend that are looking for the customer behavior, where a person is logging into the account, and various other things that, of course, we cannot reveal in order not to jeopardize our fraud protection. And apart from that, of course, we have a very big team, I would say, of fraud analysts and people that are looking into transactions on even you can say minute basis. And looking at so many accounts and transactions in order to be proactively preventing anything bad to happen with an account in terms of fraud.
For NetTeller, we do have a variety of tools. This includes bin IP checking, device fingerprinting, security code verifications. We have 3D Secure. There's real-time transaction monitoring. We have access to payment industry fraud blacklists, 256-bit encryption. We have multiple firewalls. We also have, for our VIPs funds, they're all indemnified to protect in case there has been any issues. So, yeah, several tools are used that we can talk about, and some we can't.
Okay. But just to confirm, I mean, all the data is safe. I don't have to worry about anything. Both systems are both really secure.
Yeah, I think with NetTeller and as well with Skrill, we are both FSA regulated, and the FSA has very strict compliance rules and guidelines, and we do adhere to them. So we are PCI compliant, and we take data protection very seriously on our end.
Great.
Absolutely. Absolutely. We need to adhere to very, very strict regulations that have been brought by the FSA and the other regulators. So people shouldn't worry at all about their personal details, for example. And then, of course, we're doing our best to make sure it's a very safe place online.
Great. So I know you both mentioned rewards that that affiliates can receive. Are there any additional ones that we need to touch on? And how does the affiliate ensure that they're getting everything that you're offering? Or does the affiliate manager explain things? Do they need to go digging around to find out what sort of rewards are available to them? Explain the reward system a little bit more, if you don't mind.
Leah, do you want to start?
Yeah. So in addition to the NetTeller Rewards points program that we have, we do run regular promotions. Some are member-wide or company-wide, and some are specific to our VIPs so that they can earn more cash. We recently ran a leaderboard promo. I think it was June carrying into July. It was $4,000. It helped affiliates to increase their conversions and commissions at merchant programs. It also incentivized them for encouraging NetTeller member signups. So that was the most recent one we did. We have one coming up in a couple of weeks, or actually in a couple of days. That'll be launching again, and we do really want to incent our affiliates to also benefit. So they benefit from all of the existing member promos plus unique ones for them.
Great.
On our side, I can say we tell our affiliates on our affiliates website, which is skrill.com/ads/affiliates, about the benefits that they can unlock by being an active affiliate, by referring people. So basically, it's all presented there, and what I mentioned also in the presentation, people can get their revenue share increased by being active. They can get a free Moneybookers prepaid MasterCard and a security token, a multi-currency account, also branded personalized messages for their referrals, and some special benefits such as free payouts to players, sub-affiliates, feature content in our gaming newsletter, for example, or gaming's promotions page. And of course, we do have exclusive cashback promotions, exclusive VIP promotions that were mentioned in the presentation. And if there is something else that just pops up because of, let's say, for example, Euro Cup or World Cup or any big event, then we make sure we will let our affiliates know via the affiliates newsletter. And of course, the affiliate managers are proactively speaking to the affiliates.
Okay, great. So are your quoted rates guaranteed? If so, for how long? And how often can I expect the rates to change? I'll open that to both of you, whoever wants to go first.
Sorry, you asked about the core fees for the account, right?
Yes.
Well, fees can change. I wouldn't say that that happens often at all. If we look at the past few years, this has been. I can't even recollect myself when was the last time that we changed, for example, one of the fees for the end customer as an account. So I wouldn't say that people should be worried about that. but yes, fees can change, and all people will be duly informed about that if that happens, and in advance.
And from our end as well, in the 5 or 6 years we've been running this program, we haven't downgraded any rates to the detriment of any of our affiliates. We do pay lifetime revenue share. This means if that member signs up to NetTeller and you're at a 20% commission for that member, that's the lifetime of that member. We would continue to pay that. We don't retroactively change commissions for members that have already signed up via your affiliate, the affiliate links. We do make changes to our affiliate incentives from time to time that would enhance your earnings and are open to negotiating bespoke rates to increase volume. So it's important to talk to your affiliate manager for opportunities. And if the rates did change, as Rosen said, we can't predict the future. It would be from a go-forward basis. We wouldn't apply that backwards.
Just to include a remark from my side, what I covered, of course, was for the rate for the fees for end customers. But then again, as Leah said and covered about affiliates, it's pretty much the same with us. We haven't changed that since we started. But if we do, everybody will know about it for sure. And we don't change that retrospectively or back in time.
Great. We have time for one last question. So I'll open up the platform to both of you. Sell me or sell our affiliates in 30 seconds on why they should use your co-op program. Rosen, I'll let you take it first.
Thank you. Well, as an affiliate, sending traffic and having traffic that is interested in gaming offers, you have to consider increasing the value of that traffic. Currently, it's being you're advising people where to play and how to play, but you can also advise people how to pay. Digital wallet, the Skrill service, it is not competing with the operators that you're promoting. So basically, if you convert traffic also to Skrill, people can use it to deposit as a depositing tool to the bookmakers, and all you earn comes on top. We don't compete with the operators, and we also help you convert better just because we are having that many local payment options. So eventually you can have more people that are converting into real money players and that are having higher redeposit rates and higher value for you overall.
Great. Thank you, Rosen. Leah?
Yeah, I think ultimately the question always is, what's in it for me? And I think what's in it for the affiliates is that you get a second revenue stream from players that you are already converting. All you need to do is educate them about how to play safe and keep their finances secure online by using an e-wallet. You would receive lifetime uncapped revenue plus promotions to incent both your members as well as the affiliates themselves would get incented. We offer extended global reach, and we do have loyalty and rewards programs that help extend the lifetime of that value, of the value of that member.
Awesome. Good answer, someone just said.
Oh, thanks.
Great. Well, thank you both. I think that concludes our webinar today. Leah and Rosen, you presented some great information on how affiliates can get paid faster and safer. And as always, the recorded version of this webinar will be available on the CAP website within the next week. I also wanted to let you guys know that for a limited time, CAP is running a special promotion. We're giving away 5 iPhone 5s along with exclusive access to the Premier Gambling Network that is sure to be a big hit, and you guys will be learning more about it in the next couple months. Just visit www.casinoaffiliateprograms.com/invite and enter your email address for your chance to win an iPhone 5. Thank you again so much, and we'll see you guys really soon. Thanks again, Leah and Rosen.
Thank you.
Thanks. It's a pleasure.
Bye-bye.